During CES, we were very lucky to meet the people behind GiftAPart. Now, they wanted us to tell you about it. Frankly, I'm not really into gift lists. I don't find a really purpose for them. In fact, I don't normally buy a lot of things online unless I need to for the kind of brick and mortar facilities. But that being said, I tasked Monica with going online and creating a small gift list of things that she wanted or needed for either the site or personal use. So I went on there and I found her account and I purchased her a couple of things. Check out us on the site. Lo and behold, after the items were, they actually arrived pretty quick. And now, here they are. So, a couple of things that she ordered on the site were actually these little finger gloves. They're actually used specifically for drawing, for making sure your fingers don't actually get on the tablets. That way you're able to not worry about the bleed off. And you can actually use these for traditional art as well. I actually ordered a second one for me. But yeah, they literally just go on your fingers like this. And so when you're drawing, you don't have to worry about your hand smudging up the work. Other thing that we ordered, she had been asking for a bit, and that was for more options with regards to wireless audio for us. So this is actually the Pile professional lavalier with a wireless system built into it. Now, the crazy thing about GiftAPart is they're not their own company. They don't sell their items. They sell other people's items. Places like Office Depot and a lot of other websites online, they aggregate their stuff from it so that you can order from them through there. You can set up your wish list. And so this is just one of the really cool items that they had on the site that she saw and liked. And it's very simplistic. This little hip box goes on you. You plug the lavalier into that. And then this is the receiver, which picks up the signal and goes directly into your audio system. We use an H6 from Zoom, which is pretty awesome, pretty neat. And I mean, for a system like this is going to come in a lot of handy. But we were able just to order this directly from the site. They have such a wide variety of things available to fit your needs, from lower priced items like these to much larger priced items like these. You're able to really kind of find a wide gambit to add to your wish list. And unlike, registries for childbirth or birthdays or weddings, there's really no time of year for these specifically. You can definitely use them for that, but it's more about, for whatever. I mean, for instance, say you have a Twitch stream and you're a streamer and you want to make a list of things for people to purchase for you. And hey, I want this, and this. You can have them, they can put a little bit towards that automatically on there for you. I would say one thing that I am sending an email to the creator for. When I ordered the parts completely for Monica, I actually got to see where it was going to, which I thought was a little bit creepy. So if you are going to use the service, I definitely recommend putting your list to mail to maybe a P.O. box and not directly to your house, just because it's a little bit creepy on that regard. I'll talk to them, and I'm sure they'll fix that down the line. But for now, definitely make sure you keep yourself safe. And hey, go shopping. Pick out some items. Pick out a couple parts of items and help someone else out. We'll see you guys next time.